Social phobia is a mental health condition where you experience intense and ongoing fear of being judged negatively or watched go by others. It's normal to feel nervous in some social situations. For example, going on a date or giving a presentation may cause a feeling or butterflies in your stomach. But it's social anxiety disorder, also called social phobia, everyday interaction cause significant anxiety, self-consciousness, and embarrassment because you feel being criticized or judged negatively by others.
Sometimes, but people with anxiety disorders often experience fear and worry that is both intense and excessive. These feelings are typically accompanied by physical tensions and other behavioral and cognitive symptoms. They are difficult to control, cause significant distress, and can last a long time if untreated. Anxiety disorders interfere in daily activities and can impair a person's family, social, school, or working life.
Of social anxiety. People with anxiety disorder may experience excessive fear of worry about scientific situation. For example, a panic attack or social situation, or in the case of generalized anxiety disorder, about a board range or everyday situation. They typically experience the symptoms of over extended period, at least several months. Usually, they avoid a situation that makes them anxious.
Other symptoms of anxiety disorder may include trouble concentrating or making decisions, having heart palpitation, sweating, trembling or shaking, trouble sleep, have a sense of impending danger, panic or dormant.
Of social anxiety. First, inherited traits. Anxiety disorder tend to run in families. Second, brain structure. A structure in the brain called the amygdala may play a role in controlling the fear response. Third, environment. Social anxiety disorder may be a learned behavior. Some people may develop significant anxiety after an unpleasant or embarrassing social situation.